Is it possible for an ISIS supporter to be de-radicalized? That is the question at the heart of an unprecedented hearing in federal court. It could result in shorter and alternative sentences for 6 young ISIS supporters. All 6 of the young Twin Cities men had pleaded guilty in a larger terror case. 3 defendants went to trial in that case and were convicted. A 10th defendant is believed to have died while fighting for ISIS in Syria. The federal court and U.S. probation office has hired German expert Daniel Kohler to assess each of the defendants to see how open they would be to de-radicalization counseling. Esme Murphy was in court as this expert testified about his assessments, and she joins us now. Esme?
Well, Amelia, this kind of evaluation has never happened in the U.S. before, but in Germany and Europe, Daniel Kohler has been leading de-radicalization programs, not just for radical jihadists, but neo-Nazis as well. All 6 of the defendants face 15 years in prison for pleading guilty to providing material support to ISIS. But Judge Michael Davis stressed again today that he would be pursuing an alternative approach with the 6. Judge Davis personally traveled to Germany earlier this year to interview Daniel Kohler. The concept of trying to de-radicalize terror defendants is a controversial one. Kohler shared his belief in a panel discussion last year that de-radicalization is indeed possible.
I'm very positive about counterterrorism effects of de-radicalization programs.
Kohler testified that he interviewed each of the defendants and their families and that he gave them a risk assessment rating ranging from a low risk to a high risk for reoffending. Under combative questioning by Abdi Rizak Warsami's attorney, Kohler said he rated Warsami as a high risk because of his religious views and support for ISIS-backed ideologies. Kohler ranked Abdullahi Youssef as a medium to low risk, saying he, quote, has not been 100% de-radicalized, but is already at an advanced stage of disengagement. Now, there were some real fireworks during this hearing today. Some defense attorneys whose clients got high-risk assessments were clearly unhappy with the process, and they hammered at Kohler, suggesting his evaluations were not fair. Kohler testified about only 4 of the 6 today. He will testify about the remaining 2 tomorrow.
So, Esme, what happens after Kohler finishes testifying?
Well, the judge will take these recommendations under advisements. He will sentence these defendants in November. Kohler has crafted individualized de-radicalization programs for each of the 6 that will feature intensive and specialized therapy and education sessions. But again, in the end, it is Judge Davis who will make the call on sentencing.
All right. Thank you, Esme.